got those orange cat blues. Yeah, I'm sad.
Dudes, it's Loki. My friend Boo is at the vet, so I thought I would tell him a story. Funny story happened to me the other day. You make it feel better. I went to the supermarket to get ingredients for ice cream so I could make it myself. So I bought the chicken and the cream, and I brought it up to the register. And this chick there, like, she puts the chicken in the bag, right? And then she says, "Do you want your milk in the sack?" I'm like, "No, just leave it in the carton. Cause I don't want it leaking all over my primate's car. And they know I snuck out." But anyway, that's my story. I hope you feel better, Boo. Bye.